Hello, welcome to my kitchen vlog. Not really, no. I started my photography a long time ago with film. In 2001 I moved to digital, and since 2015 I'm shooting with Sony mirrorless. My name is Orio Menoni, owner of Iris Photo Studio and Weddings. I'm a portrait, wedding and commercial photographer based in the north of Italy, and this is my photography channel. So, everybody and their donkey make unboxing videos nowadays. I rate them amongst the 3 most boring things on YouTube, slightly above football player interviews, and just a little behind Miss Universe victory speech. But people seem to like it, so I give it a try. As you probably have guessed by the title, this is a box that contains the Sony G Master 24-70 f2.8 lens. Good padding. I will reuse it. This is, what is it? Made by Helmut Newton, nonetheless. And my shop made for me this custom thank you. Very nice. Thank you, guys. Well, I should not thank you, as you got most of my money. So here's the box of the lens itself. They have applied the warranty. Actually, no, it's the shop bill that will also serve as a proof for the warranty and for the cashback, because Sony Italy gives 100 hours cashback on this lens in this period, and so I took advantage of that. They should have used a different method, because this is really going to destroy the bill, which is not a good idea. Okay, so we are now going to open the box, and here next to it I have Hoya Pro 1 digital protector filter. This is, so they say, the best protection filter available today. Hoya makes these in 2 flavors, normal and pro. I bought the pro one. So I will mount it immediately after I take the lens out of the envelope. And the reason I do that is because I don't want anything, not even any dust, to enter the lens. If I apply it immediately, then the lens will be totally pristine and nothing will be inside of it. By the way, this is my first G Master lens, so this is kind of an event for me. I am usually a cheap buyer, but I made an exception with this one. Okay, so what we have here, we have the paperwork that nobody reads, and there's something inside here. What is this? Nothing. I was expecting a surprise. Okay, so this is the lens inside the pouch. Seriously, I wonder, I mean, do they have to put these pouches inside with the lenses? I mean, does anybody use them? Because I don't. I just put the lens in my camera bag, and if I use this would take alone half of the space of my camera bag. So it's a nonsense, and I bet these things are costly. So why don't they just, skip this and cut a little on the price? I think everybody would be happier this way. So here's the glorious pouch that nobody will ever use. It has a pocket for the target with your name. Strange, accessories, useless accessories. And inside, another padding contains the lens. And there's something. What is this? Strange. Is this a kind of? This is the strap for the shoulder strap for the pouch. I keep everything when I buy a new lens. I mean, even these plastic bags, everything, because if I ever resell the lens, people would buy the lens much more, happily if everything is inside. And really, I always ask myself, does a box really matter for a lens? I don't know. But I tell you by experience, I sell my used gear on eBay since 2003, so this makes 16 years of eBay, and I grant you that the box, which is probably, I don't know, €2 worth, I have no idea. If the lens comes with the box, you can expect to get even 50 or even more euros above the price without the box. If you have the pouch and all this other crap here, even better. So let's go on with the unboxing. Ouch! Not a really good way to start my relation with this lens. 32.7 ounces. I don't know why it switched to Imperial. I have no idea why. Okay, now it displays the grams. The lens is 928 grams, almost 1 kilo. I'm not sure actually if this is metal or plastic, because they make plastic today that almost looks and feels like metal. This apparently seems to be the case. I don't know. I don't know if it's an alloy. It's not aluminum, but it may be a different alloy. I have no idea. Anyway, it feels very luxury, if you know what I mean. Very smooth, very velvety like look, satin look, I would say. The zoom ring is quite tight. I imagine they keep this tight because they know that with the use these will loosen up, and so probably they keep it tight at the factory in order to avoid the infamous zoom creep effect, which is what happens when you reverse the lens and you let it like this, and then start slowly the lens starts to come down because of gravity. This will not happen absolutely because it's very resistant, maybe a bit too much probably. The focusing ring, no worth mentioning it. It's a focus by wire, so it gives no indication of how it works until you turn on the camera and attach the lens. So let's now mount the filter. I will do it very quickly. I put the lens on the side. I take the filter out, remove the lens cap. Wow. It's done. Now the filter is on and absolutely nothing entered the inside of the lens. So the person that will buy this lens from me, I don't know, maybe 10 years from now, who knows, will have a perfectly pristine glass. Okay, so here we are. I don't know what else to say. The unboxing is done. I think I just have to say so long. You idiot, you forgot the lens hood. Oh yeah, this is the lens hood. Bayonet one, I think. No, probably not. Yes, it's a bayonet. It doesn't seem to lock. Maybe I entered it the wrong way. Oh yes, it locks. It locks, and probably it will also reverse lock. Oh, this is quite... it doesn't come out just by twisting. You need to press these buttons here. Actually, there's one button. You press it and release it. Very, very nice. Yeah, this is it. So, was it good? You bet, because I cooked it. Not the lousy teaspoon dabbler of my wife with her vegetarian crap. With your heart out, camera conspiracies. Oh, by the way, this is my new Macintosh. It renders the crap out of 12K video. It doesn't have a cooling fan though.